Welcome to Karnatak University Dharwad. I'm Yusuf. Today we are going to explore about this university, a historic center of learning, culture and academic excellence. Established in 1949, this prestigious university has been shaping the future of thousands of students for over 7 decades. With a legacy of excellence and a vision for the future, let's take a closer look. As I said, it was established in 1949 by Government of Bombay Province and is one of the oldest university in Karnataka. It was formally inaugurated on March 1st, 1950 by the first Indian Vice President, Dr. S. Radhakrishnan. Now, let's talk about campus and academics. This is spread across 800 acres in Dharwad. Harvard offers UG, PhD, Master in Philosophy, PhD program across various disciplines. Have 5 constitution colleges and over 200 affiliated colleges, known for its contribution in arts, science, commerce, law and management. This university is recognized by the University Grants Commission and has been accredited with the A grade by NAC, National Assessment and Accreditation Council. Karnatak University has been a pillar of higher education in Karnataka for over 7 decades. With its commitment to academic excellence, research and cultural heritage, it continues to shape the future of thousands of students. Whether you are looking for a quality education, research opportunities or a vibrant student life, this university is best for it. This university has nurtured many distinguished personalities, including Girish Karnad, Dara Bendre, Anant Murthy, and V.K. Gokak. Now, let me show you the Gandhi Bhavan. The highest education is that which doesn't merely give us information, but makes our life in harmony with all existence. Talking about this hero stone, this was found in the premises of Kalmeshwara temple in Ambinabhavi. The name of the king is inscribed in clear terms as Sivachitta Tirubana Malladeva. He was the second son of Jayakeshi III. Karnatak University Dharwad is more than just classrooms and corridors. It's where dreams are born, friendships are forged. For every student who has walked these grounds, this campus holds a piece of their heart. It's not just a university, it's a journey, a memory, a home. As time moves on, the script of KUD lives on in every lesson, learned, every moment cherished, and every life touched by its legacy. Karnatak University holds a rich legacy, a vibrant spirit, and countless stories within its walls. I know there is still so much more to show, every corner, every classroom, every moment that makes this place so special. I truly give my best to capture its essence, but some experiences can't be put in words or frames. Still, I feel incredibly honored and grateful for the chance to create this tribute. Thank you so much.